guys, welcome back to Motor Chats. As you can tell, I lost my voice, so you guys are probably not going to get an interview from anyone today. If anything, it might be this guy asked. So, what are we doing today? Where are we going?
Entity Lexus of North Miami car show. Hopefully, no meat activities. Man, pause. Can you tell them how much sleep we have? Collectively 4 hours.
About, like, both of us together?
Yeah, well, you got 4 hours?
I went to bed at 3:30.
I went to bed at like 4:30.
So you got like 4, 5, 6. You and I both got 4 hours of sleep.
No shot. I did not feel like 4.
We both got about 4 hours of sleep.
Because we couldn't sleep.
Yeah, we couldn't sleep, but that's okay. Time is currently 10 in the morning. We are
10:20.
10:20.
We are stupid late.
Yeah.
We're like almost an hour late.
Yeah, we were just really tired. But it's okay because we talked to the owner, or he talked to the owner, and the owner said it was cool. He said it was fine. So that's okay. But normally we're not late to these things. It's just something that happened.
We're usually pretty late.
You're usually late.
So that means we are usually late.
Okay, sure. Anyways, you guys are probably wondering, where is your voice? Well, I'm sick, if you guys can't hear. And I also
COVID.
I do not have COVID. I don't have COVID. I'm just sick. And normally when I get sick, the first thing that goes is my voice. Oh my gosh.
It's been too fucking deep. I'm gonna eat some. I'm gonna eat some too.
Loki just gonna hide under this hood because it's...
What engine is that?
It's very nice. This one has like a highlight.
Yeah, that's Domingo's man.
Oh, who's Domingo?
Who's that owner? Oh, he's rubbing up too. He's rubbing up real bad.
That's what she said.
Pause. Oh, he's got a plug on it. Oh, damn, dude, that fucking...
This intake is so fat.
This is LT2, I think. Like the raw special on right now. Nah.
Oh, I know this guy. I know this guy. Oh, from my classic lovers. There's the engine. The rims. That is actually so sick. Let's take a look at the back here. Oh, that is so fucking cool. Scat pack. Pito.
Say hi, Pito.
He's so cute.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Pretty good?
Pretty good.
We got free coffee. I didn't film it, but I took a picture of it. I'll insert the picture here. No, I think it's my friend Greg. Okay, well anyways, this one's my favorite because it has a little bear. And I love bears. Got this Porsche.
911 Carrera.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous. This is why I didn't buy a Porsche. It's because it has one cup holder. That's obviously why I didn't get the Porsche.
You can spec it with 2. You click a button.
Don't tell them. Oh my god. This one has the electric shift gear. It's not the one where the knob. This one's my favorite. Besides the Porsche. This one's fat as fuck.
Okay, what is this called? It's a
Well,
drag.
it's slicks.
Yes, it's a drag slick.
Completely slick. Here we go. Start digging in your butt, twin. It is so hot. Oh my god. Oh, it's so going.